Are you having fun?
Yes.
Say hello to your mother.
Hi, Mom.
Tell her you love her, even though you may never see her again. You may never see her again, but that's okay. All right, she knows you love her. All right, show her how it works. Do the Superman on it. 3, 2, 1, go! Holy smoly. I think we found the extent of my camera there. That's your little girl, or she is having the time of her life. I'm having a good time too, of course. Feeling my age, but still having fun with it. I'll pay for it tomorrow. We'll watch her get on a rope lift.
Oh, you know how like that was a chair. I still have that. Oh my God, okay. You know how
There she is on a rope lift. She likes that thing too. There we go.